we're going to wrap this up. Is this your bush?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we make it with the supplies?
Whose surprise?
The supplies is for Maymay.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Now we have to put this cone right there.
Oh, it unwrapped. You unwrapped the surprise.
Well, that's okay for anyone.
Oh, okay.
And we can